Let's continue with the terminology. There are two types of data, qualitative and quantitative. Under the qualitative type, sometimes called categorical, there are two types, nominal and ordinal. You can use nominal when there is no rank, like names, John, Mary, or favorite colors like blue and red. Ordinal is when you have a rank, like first and second place, like and dislike. In the quantitative type, we have discrete data when you can count, like number of marbles, people, balls, and so on. And continuous data when you can measure, like a temperature or height. Here, there is a further distinction done called interval, when you have measurable data, but there is a difference between scales, like Fahrenheit and Celsius. We say it doesn't include an absolute zero because the scales are different. The last subtype is called ratio. Here we do have an absolute zero. Kelvin is measured considering an absolute zero. Height and weight are ratio variables because they also have an absolute zero. Let's move on. A variable is a placeholder. C equals 5. We say C is a variable that takes on the value of a constant, in the specific case, 5. You can choose any letter as a placeholder, but C can also hold the result of a function, not necessarily 5. Let's say you flip a coin. Your function computes the probability of the result, being heads or tails, and your variable holds the result. You can say here that C equals the probability of getting tails in a coin toss. What about samples? Let's say you have a bag with 10 marbles. Random sampling is the idea of you taking a marble out of the bag without choosing any particular one. You are not choosing one specifically, you are taking one out randomly. The result you get, you assign it to your variable C.